Hello, good day. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC Biology Past Question 2019, Question 42. Now, individuals with blood group AB can donate blood to individuals with blood groups A and AB, B, we have A and O, C, we have AB only, D, we have O only. Now, we have 4 blood groups, and these 4 blood groups are A, AB, B and O. Now, each of these 4 blood groups has a particular antibody or antigen. Now, for instance, A has antibody A has antibody B, and the antigen in A is antigen A. Now, this antibody B fights against any organism or any organism that has a blood group with antibody B. For instance, B has antigen B. O doesn't have any antigen, while AB has antigen A and antigen B. Now, when someone with blood group A takes blood from blood group B, the antibody B in blood group A will fight against the blood, thereby leading to blood clotting. That is why A can only receive blood from blood group A and blood group O. Like I told you, O doesn't have any antigen, so O can actually give blood to anyone. That's why blood group O is regarded as the universal donor. Now, AB has what? Antigen A and antigen B. It doesn't have any antibody, and I told you that the antibody fights against the antigens. So since it doesn't have any antibody, it can receive blood from any blood group. So AB is regarded as what? The universal recipient. B has antigen B, and the antibody in B is antibody A. Like I told you, the antibody fights against the antigen. So due to the antibody A, if it takes blood from A, it will lead to blood clotting because A has that antigen. If it takes blood from B, who has antigen A and B, it will also lead to blood clotting. So B can only receive blood from blood group O and B. Now, O, I told you O is the universal donor because it doesn't have any antigen, but it has all the antibodies. It has antibody A and antibody B. So O can only receive blood from blood group O, but can give blood to any other blood group. So from this my explanation, individuals with blood group AB can donate blood to individuals with what? Blood group AB only. They can only donate blood to individuals with blood group AB, but they can collect blood for everybody. Now, this is because the blood group AB has antigen A and antigen B. So if it's donating blood to A, the antibody B will fight against the antigen B. If it's donating blood to B, the antibody A will fight against the antigen A it has. So our answer to this particular question is option C, AB only. So blood group AB can only donate blood to blood group AB. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.